Dear students, good evening. Welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Thulasi. Today I am going to discuss about Introduction to Industry 4.0 and Industrial Internet of Things. So coming to the assignment 8. Here, coming to the first question, how many steps are involved in the deployment of analytics? Here we are having options 1, 2, 3 and 4. Coming to the right answer, it is 3. And so the correct answer is C. Which of the following statements is true about deep learning? So coming to the options, it uses feature extraction. B. Raw data is fed to the models. C. It requires large computational power. And D. All of the above. So the correct answer is D. And coming to the third question, batch-oriented analytics. So the options are improves the accuracy of the streaming layer analytics. B. Used for long-term statistics. C. Provides a better overall picture. D. All of the above. So coming to the correct answer, it is D. All of the above. Coming to the fourth question, clustering is a part of supervised learning. B. Unsupervised learning. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. So the correct answer is B. Unsupervised learning. Coming to the fifth question, conceptually the linear regression is used when A. The output variable contains a real number. The output variable contains data of category type. C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. So coming to the right answer, the output variable contains a real number. Coming to the sixth question, which of the following does not represent a category of machine learning algorithms? So the answer is options are supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement and artificial intelligence. The answer is artificial intelligence. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a good SLA? So the options are A. Meaningful, B. Expensive, C. Controllable, D. Mutually acceptable. So the characteristics are meaningful, controllable, mutually acceptable, and which is not a characteristic is that is expensive. Coming to the eighth question, what does the term deep refers in deep learning? So coming to the options, it refers to the hidden layers in the deep neural network. B. It refers to the data size. C. It refers to data storage. D. None of the above. Coming to the answer A. It refers to the hidden layers in the deep neural network. Ninth question. The inference process in Toshiba's collaborative distributed deep learning technology is done in cloud, edge, and device, all of the above. So I have seen in the material that the options are cloud and edge, but there is no option specifying that only both A and B. So I have to choose, it is all of the above. So coming to the 10th question, industrial IoT platform has robust security, large number of data points, return on investment sensitive, D. None, all the above. So coming to the correct answer, that is all of the above. Coming to the 11th question, software as a service allows users to A. Develop and control applications, B. Subscribe and use application without making any changes, C. Manage the platform, D. None of the above. So the right answer is D. None of the above. Coming to the 12th question, MindSphere provides A. SaaS, B. OpenPass, C. IaaS, D. None of the above. Coming to the right answer, that is B. OpenPass. Coming to the 13th question, what are the features necessary for device management? Coming to the options, fault diagnosis and monitoring, B. Device decommissions, C. Authentication, D. All of the above. So the answer is D. All of the above. Coming to the 14th question, which of the following is a limitation of the cloud-based services? Coming to the options, higher latency, B. Scalability, C. Storage, D. Computational power. Coming to the correct answer, that is higher latency. Coming to the 15th question, C3 IoT SaaS provides energy management, predictive maintenance, C. Fault detection, D. All of the above. So the correct answer is D. All of the above. Now you can submit your answers. So if you want any further updates regarding the assignments, you can subscribe my channel, and thank you so much.